Hi guys, welcome to Bake It Up. This is Lorena, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make Espresso Amaretti Biscotti, or what in Italy are called cantucci. Let's get started. This is the recipe, also available in the description below in grams. In a mixing bowl, combine together sugar and butter. Then cream until light and fluffy. It will take about 5 minutes. Add the eggs one at a time, and then add the vanilla and mix until blended. In a mixing bowl, combine with the flour the dry ingredients, the baking powder, cinnamon, and coffee. And you can use a whisk if you don't have a sifter. Add the almond extract. And now you can add the ingredients, the dry ingredients, slowly in the butter and sugar. Chocolate chips and almonds that don't need to be toasted. Combine well until it comes together, but make sure that you don't overmix the dough. Divide the dough in half. Place them on the baking sheet. Now just shape each one into a 12-inch log. Flatten and shape the log with your hands until it's 1 inch thick. Make an egg wash with 1 egg and 3 tablespoons of milk and brush it on top. Now you can bake it for about 35 minutes at 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Let it cool completely, and using a serrated knife, cut the log into 1/2 inch thick slices. Place the cookies cut side upon the baking sheet and bake until they start to turn light brown for about 15-20 minutes at 325 degrees Fahrenheit. And let cool. Melt the chocolate in the microwave and drizzle the chocolate over the biscotti. And here you have it. Get some coffee ready and enjoy.